Thank you for your purchase of TOYSPHERE Maggie DX. This sturdy material walker comes with beautiful colors. This exciting product assembled by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver. To begin with, let's open the main body of the walker. Next, fix all of the 8 sturdy base wheels at the bottom of the main body. Then attach the seat into the attachment slots, which can be easily removed for cleaning. Now insert battery to musical tray battery cover by cap with help of screw. Then lock musical tray to main body with help of side plastics lock. Then lock side toy stand to main body by hand pressure. In the last step, to insert parental handle to main body by hand pressure. Your beautiful TOYSPHERE Maggie DX is now ready to ride.